gonna see. You gonna see. Trying, trying to see if this goes live. I think it's good now. Right, music on. Get that on.
With Fundrise, the same kind of real estate investments that have powered the world's strongest portfolios for decades are now available to you. From properties generating in.
Alright, that's sun. Here. Alright, we should be good. Alright, we're about to get right on into this markup. I'm not gonna be on NAS. Matter of fact, which one's it? I'll mark them both up eventually. But now you said that it has a new feature now.
Yeah, I was watching it last night, man. I couldn't sleep, so I was watching I was reading through Telegram's updates, bro, and it's actually pretty amazing for people like you and other influencers and YouTubers.
So what's it allow you to do?
Let me send you the thing here real quick. I'll just forward it to you.
All right,
do your thing, Brody, with and I'll just kind of get this.
All right, but yeah, I'm just getting the outline, just mark the previous day's highs and lows. Going to get this Asian session range marked up. Get the 12 a.m. open. Okay, so we have a. Okay. We got a high of the day. Haven't got one of these in a little while. Potentially the high of the day. Had this London session move that ran up and cleared this Asian session high. And it also didn't run through this previous day's high. So that's something I'm going to be keeping in mind. But one thing I do want to look for is if we are bullish. Ooh, we are rejecting that 38.20%. I drew my fib from that previous day's low to the previous day's high. We do have this rejection right now. So there is a chance we could end up rejecting it, or we could come all the way down to 3,300. My fault. 3,300 down here. We got 33,600 down here. We got 34,000 right here, and 34,200 above the previous day's high. So yeah, there is a chance price could slowly start to try to reverse from here and go higher. It is at this fib long. That is potential, but we'll see. I'm keeping in mind we have this order block all the way down there. Let me check the hour, 4 hour. Yeah, I'm gonna just mark up the 15-minute one, and then I'm gonna refine it because there are a few of them on the higher time frame, such as 15, the 30-minute, the 1 hour, and the 4 hour. But I'm just gonna stick to having majority of my markups on the same thing, so I don't confuse time frames. So just like that, we can refine it. So the 50% of it is right at the 79%, right at 3,600. So that's something I'm gonna keep in mind. Let's see, I'm gonna go mark up NAS 100, see if it's a cleaner setup or anything. Previous stays high. Previous stays low. We got the Asian session range. Boom. Boom. Let's get the 12 a.m. open. Boom. And there's a similar situation as it did on US 30. London session ran above and cleared this Asian session high, creating this potential high of the day if price does continue moving bearish. But I do want to see if price is in this fib long also. So we are at that 38.20% also rejecting. So it's a very similar setup on both of these pairs. But in this case, this 15-minute order block is a little bit cleaner. Boom. Do the same thing. We're going to refine it. Boom. Similar situation. 13,600 confluence with that 50%. We got 13,800 right below this 38.20% level. 13,900. And then we have 14,000 right near this previous day's high. Then 14,200 up here. So we'll see. It's kind of a rock and a hard place, honestly.
At that continuation level.
Yeah, I don't know how likely it is to hold though. It came to it once, and now it's second time. Same with US 30. So I don't know, maybe if we can start to come a little bit lower. I know I'm gonna have to see how price reacts to these levels. Best case scenario is it's just gonna come to tap this 33,800, tap the 62% of the high of the order block, and then start to reject from there. That'll be best case scenario in my opinion, since this is a pretty wide order block. Yeah, it's about 250 points. So if I can get at the high of the order block with about 100-point stop loss, ideally, I think that could be a good stop loss. But personally, right now, I do want to see price come a little bit lower. I don't want to see it just shoot up, even though it is possible that it could. I personally want to see it come a little lower. And it does look like we are rejecting this burger block that we have right here. Not the burger block, this order block. The small one. So we'll see. We'll see how price holds up. We are starting to lose that momentum. So we'll see what happens. We still got 10 minutes till the open. Yeah, let me see these higher time frames. Yeah, I'm bullish overall because look at this. The weekly markup that I had still looking good. Daily time frame, previous days are also pretty bullish. I would want to see a little bit of a downwards move though. So where is this price? 33,675. $675. So if you look at this on a higher time frame, go to the daily, we have this gap right here. And this gap is right at this 33,600 level. Here, I'm going to make it this color so I can see where it is. Yeah, right here. So, I mean, this 33,600 level is looking pretty good confluence-wise. And I'm going to just have this marked up in there so I can see where it is. So we'll see. Ideally, I would want to see price continue to fall a little bit lower right now. There's a few places price can end up reaching for. Personally, though, if I can try to get in on the sell side, I might try to do that. So if I might look for the potential retracement maybe at the open. It's maybe this discounted price at 34,000. Then look to sell off to potentially use all these as targets. Because if price is likely to come all the way down here before we're going higher, I think I have a better chance trying to catch that sell move. Unless it just keeps this overall really strong bullish trend again, in which it possibly could, and then from here it just ends up taking off and going to new highs once again. Only time will tell. We will see what happens. We will see
When they
what happens.
put out interest rates, does that affect anything?
Yeah, it does.
They just rose the interest rate, Jerome Powell, yesterday by 0.25%. So we'll see.
Yeah, I'm not sure if it's gonna be good or bad for us though. I just know more than likely will affect us.
Okay.
And there was already news today at 8:30. What was the news? Bullish or bearish? It was bearish, I guess. Small ass candle. Didn't really do much.
Yeah, it didn't do much at all.
And then we have news tomorrow. Makes sense. I don't know. We will see. Price could do a few things right now. Because right now, NAS 100 is looking like it looks to start to go higher. But the only thing is this double bottom that it's making. It's just making me believe more than likely price is going to come down for these levels down here. But this higher time frame, I don't know. Everything's so bullish. But if I look at it like over here on the week, we are pretty high on the week. We cleared. Did we clear it? Nah, we didn't clear the previous week's high yet. I think we're on the road to the. So I'm gonna stick to my bullish bias. I'm gonna just try to get the best buy entries I can.
That 70% fib right at the top of that OB order block, bro, that would be a good entry then to just to target like even the Asian session low. That's 250.
You said
points.
where?
Like the top of that order block. If we get in there for the bullish buy, with the 100 or even 50 point stop, you know the
Nah, 50 is too short.
50
too short.
Even to the Asian session lows of 250 points, that's a big move.
Yeah, that's just if it goes here, because you got to keep in mind there's the 50% of order block, the 33,600 level, and that daily imbalance. So right here, the high of this candle, that's all right down here. So even though it could reject the 62%, is it going to reject this 33,800 level, then go higher? It's going to reject the high and the 62%, then go higher? Or is it going to come down to 33,600 and go higher? There's a few things that could happen. That's my main problem. Especially because you're going to catch in a reversal. There's a few things it could do. Or it could just reject now and just keep going higher. It's like 3-4 different scenarios that could potentially happen.
I'm looking at the daily and I see that it made a double bottom, and then 2 days ago it took that took the lows out, and then it started to push higher. So I'm thinking bullish sentiment right now. Just needed to wait for a good pullback.
Yeah, I'm bullish. That's what I'm saying. I just gotta find a good entry to buy it.
The lows were at 13,009, and then it took it out and went down to 12,945, and then it pushed up.
I don't know. It's rocking a hard place.
Do you have mooses where you live in?
Nah, I don't got mooses. Yeah, I don't know. Few things can happen. I just gotta let it play out and see where price goes and just take it candle by candle. Yeah, I think price is gonna keep falling for right now. If it doesn't, like I said, I'll try to go short at that 34,000 potentially. If that's also the 50% of this Asian range, it's just gonna give me another confirmation. Pull that over. Yep, right here. This 34,000, 70.50% right up here. I think it's gonna be a good area to go short, in my opinion. Because I'm keeping in mind this could potentially even be the high of the day, so price could even just keep falling. I'm just going off of what I have, so even though I am bullish, if not given a proper sign to just buy, then I'm gonna flip to the other side.
Okay, I see what you're talking about. So this London move, you did a Fibonacci retracement off the London move to see where it could pull back for the London bearish continuation.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I see what you're talking about. I was looking at only the buy side, but I see what you're the continuation part of this that it could possibly happen.
Yeah, either one. And I personally don't want to buy at this double bottom. I would rather want to see a low get cleared for a reversal. But if this is the point that has the reversal, then I could end up just missing the move and it keeps flying, but it is what it is at that point.
Yeah, my dude, it says you can live stream with other apps, and it specifically, yes. So I was like, oh shit. You got to go down to the tips section that says live streaming with other apps, and then it says with this update you can broadcast from streaming tools like OBS Studio and XSplit Broadcaster to add overlays and multi-screen layouts with ease, turning any Telegram channel into a professional TV station. So and it has more degree to it, but that's just what I saw.
Yeah, it makes sense. I'm gonna have to look at it later on, do some little research on it.
Try it out on the weekend with the Telegram group. Hell yeah, bro. You get the live stream up with Andre playing some fucking Call of Duty or something.
No, I couldn't record that. Maybe when I move, but not now.
Nah.
What was it? 13,946.
Looks like there's gonna need every person who wants to do the live stream though needs to update Telegram. So
yeah, only a few people are gonna be able to do it, more than likely.
they have a thing where you have there's a new download manager, which just looks pretty cool. New attachment menu.
I don't know. How do I update it? I checked to see if there was an update on it, but I didn't even see it.
Oh, I don't even know either, man. I just saw I'm just looking at the tips. Ooh, let's go to. Let's see. This Telegram. Run administrator. Okay, I'm gonna focus on this later. Get back on the charts. Oh, hey there.
Oh, that's the open price. Let's see. This is falling. Whatever happens, like I said, 34,000. I'm probably gonna try to go short around there. What about? I want to say 50 points, but 50 points might be a little bit too light. I might just go for a 100-point stop. 100 point looks too wide. Rocking a hard place, fam. Rocking a hard place. 100 down. Price would at least have to come all the way down to 3,300 for a 1 to 2, 1 to 3, 1 to 4, 1 to 3, 1 to. At least it works out almost evenly. Yeah, 100-point difference each. Personally, it looks like price wants to fall right now. Now it looks like it's more than likely just going to come down to where price is going to reject that. Oh, that's the problem, because there's a few areas it could start to reject. Could just reject that whole number, never go to 62%. Could tap that 62%, go to 33,700. Could go to 33,600. If I'm gonna have to hide the order block, I'm at least gonna have to have a 100-point stop loss for the first trade. Oh, it's going up now. I don't know. We'll see what happens, fam. Yeah, I'm gonna wait for it to clear these highs, try to tap into this, and then I'm gonna go short. Probably. I'll do 100 points. Fucking, I'll just be on the safe side. I'd rather be safe than sorry. At least with 100 points, I gotta have it above that high. Alright, so what I'm doing is, like I said, I'm gonna go short at the 34,000. So right when it clears those highs, almost right in that fib short. Damn, I gotta go bathroom. Alright, but I told you. You said, what's going on, Darren? What's going on, bro? But like I said, right above this high, right in this fib short, if you go to 30-minute or the hour, we have that order block in here. So that's where I'm going to be looking to go short. Right at that 1 hour order block, right at that fib long short, right above 34,000, right in that 12 a.m. area. And I'm going to be looking to go short to ideally take it down there if it goes there. But I'm just saying that right now because I'm about to go to the bathroom. And if that does come into this area where this is, I will be taking that trade. So just in case it does happen while I'm gone, I'm going to be on my phone monitoring it. We'll see, but I'll be back.
price is going up towards the 34,000, but let's see what Andre says is right at the 50% of the Asian range, which is actually at 3450. Sort of just moving in a range right now, Andre.
Yeah, I've been watching it. I saw on NAS 100 that it cleared the lows before it started reversing. Which that gives me a sign that price could potentially want to go higher, but it didn't happen on US30 though. That's my main problem. We're coming into it slowly but surely. This 950 area is gonna be pretty good for NAS 100 in my opinion. Must be cold, man. Yeah, it's cold, my guy. Trust. Man, we at 860 subscribers. We good. We going places, guys. Appreciate everyone. Trying to get a good trade. Haven't had a good trade all week. Ash has a little bit of a cleaner range in there. They're both clean though. This is a better risk reward though. Yeah, it's not moving whatsoever. Oh man. There we go, slowly but surely. Coming into it, I want to see these highs get ran through. Then I'm going to be looking to go short right above it. Just a little bit higher. I want to see it run through these highs and then start to reject 34,000. Oh, pushing. Let's see how it reacts right here. Oh, yeah, I probably should have got in, but I want to see how it reacted first. But we did get rejections, so when it comes back in there, I'm gonna go short. Bro, it keeps on falling right when I'm about to get in.
Oh, I got it, bro. I hit it as soon as
Yeah, I get it.
47.
I'll wait. I ain't rushing it. Could happen at 34,000, but it's not gonna get my proper stop loss. Just a little bit. All right, if it keeps rejecting, I might hop in, but I'm not trying to have a extra 10, 20 points cause do damage. Come on, just a few more points. Go to like, move up like 3 points, motherfucker. Damn, I really missed my entry. Price start. As soon as it touched it, it just moved. I'd rather be safe than sorry. Easily could have went the other way. Come on, bro. Like 2 points. 2 points. I'm not trying to get in at the high. I want to get in above the high. I literally need like 3 points for it to move. What is this? All right, maybe 15, but come on. Yeah, just a big difference in price. Me getting it now is adding an extra 43 points onto my stop loss, which is not what I want. Damn, bro. I'm gonna just look at Nas because he was 30. It's not trying to give me my entry, fam. Bro, 15 more points. 15.
Limo Slump got a good entry last night during London. Probably just holding the bag or added.
It's gonna start to reject. I'll just get in. Fuck it, bro. My stop loss is no longer gonna be at that high though. 34.28. $9.28.
Ooh.
34, 33, 928. The fuck is my stop loss, fam? Oh, it should be 128, 34. There we go. Alright, see how it plays out. Not the best entry, but I'm just gonna have to do for right now. If this gets stopped out and it keeps running above these highs, then I'm just gonna call it a day. Because after that, then it's probably gonna keep pushing. Oh. NASA's rejecting. NASA's, I don't know. NASA I still think has room to go higher. If it goes higher though, I don't want USD to follow. I want USD to potentially just range until NAS taps to 62%. I'm down 17 points right now.
I feel like I'm getting a little headache. You should be in right at entry.
Yeah, something like that.
Even to the top of the order block is still 300 points. 250.
Yeah, almost. Let's see what happens. Yeah, look at right where I was expecting. Look at that red line. That's where I wanted the entry to be, but can't get them all. Alright, if this keeps playing out, there's a lot of room to the downside that I want to see. I see this low get cleared. And I want to see this order block slow get cleared. Then after that, I'm going to have to decide whether to take a partial at this 800 level or just let it run. We'll see. Only time will tell. I'm waiting for NAS to clear these highs and tap into 62%. I don't think price is gonna fall until then. So hopefully this just doesn't follow it. Hopefully, like I said, it just ranges with it after this taps it. And then once it taps into this level, we start to reject. And then once we start to reject over there, hopefully USD follows. Or hopefully USD starts to fall now and NAS follows. But we will see. Ooh. I don't feel like going to the gym.
No one gives a fuck about your feelings. Get your ass to the gym. I was kidding. Go get it in. What? Shit. Dude, I did chest and trays yesterday, and I did not pulleys, and I did like the bands that are on like the pole. I did reverse like things, man. Oh boy, today feels good.
Yeah, I feel you. Yesterday I was deadlifting. I didn't let you. Yeah, like 305. I could probably do more, but that's the most I could do now.
You can't have a fucking Don all fucking little chicken legs.
Real shit. Yeah, my squat I could only do 255, but I did that for like 3 or 2, so that's not my max either. So it's, I don't know, my squat max is probably up there like 270, somewhere around there.
Joe.
Now we tapped it over here now. Let's see if we start to reject. Wish I got both of them open. Oh, looks like the Bulls are coming back in.
Oh shit.
it's looking like it's gonna just continue going bullish. I'm giving it time, but just going off of what I'm seeing right now, price doesn't look like it wants to start to react. We did get 2 good rejections, but this candle right here is not rejecting whatsoever. Yeah. If we wanted to reject and fall, it would have did it already at 34,000. Not a good sign. Not a good sign. Part of me just wants to close it while I am. A small loss. But at the same time. Yeah, everything's just looking bullish right now. Yeah, I would be dumb not to just get out my position. We would have to have a big explosion of bearish volume coming, which I don't think is that likely. So what I might do, I need price to really start to look like it's gonna fall or something, but right now it's not looking like that. So part of me just wants to cut the trade short.
I'm almost at break even. Well, not really. Still about 30, 25 pips. A little bit more now, 30 pips.
Yeah, I'm down 50 pips right now, 50 points. You know what? I'm just getting out here. I don't think it's gonna. I'm just calling it. Out of the 100 points I was risking, I just took 45 point loss. I'm not even gonna bother with this right now. It's not looking like it's gonna play out. Yeah. I just gotta keep on going up right now. The ideal trade would have been at this 38.20%, but I don't know how likely that was gonna play out. Especially after missing this 800 level over here. Especially after missing this 800 level over here. And making this double bottom. It wasn't nice in my eyes. This week's been trash. It's been bullish. Oh, continuation moves.
Did you do your taxes yet?
Yeah, I've been filed.
Got all my documents. I put in this little sleeve here, but all our customers sent us our stuff. Now it's up to me. I went in to go file my taxes, and then he goes, "Martin, I follow you on Instagram. Don't you have a Coinbase account?" I'm like, "Yeah." He goes, "You need to print all that." I'm like, shit. Government just wants to take money.
Nope. Yeah, it's looking like it's losing momentum, but at the same time, I don't know how I feel about this. They're both at the 79%. Come on, just push so I know I didn't get out for nothing. Yeah, there it goes. Let me just journal this trade. I don't think I'm gonna get into anything else. I'm gonna just call it a day. Looking for a bearish London continuation. Above 12 and open. Big figure level. Order block. Fib short. Asian range 50%. Red day. One trade. Minus 0.4%. I'll say 0.4, 0.5. Yeah, these continuation moves been wild this week. Yeah, there goes Nas. Yep, there we go. I'm gonna just get rid of these. They're not gonna play out. Yeah, the continuation move would have been the ideal trade, but it is what it is. All right, at the 900 level. I wish I would have had that marked up. Yeah, right on it. Yeah, it makes sense. I ain't peeped that was the level there. I thought that was random level. It makes sense hindsight. Yeah, it's probably just gonna keep on running. So I'm just gonna call it a day. I don't got nothing else to do here. I'm done here. Nah. Appreciate everyone for watching, even though it took a small little loss, but it is what it is. Rather take half of what I was willing to lose anyway, so it's fine. Just takes 1 or 2 wins. Just gotta keep the losses small until you get to that point. But this week has been my best week. It is what it is. Ain't shit we can do about it. Just gotta manage risk, follow the process, and just on to the next side. But on that note, I'm gonna end it off here. So appreciate everyone for watching. If you aren't, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to the channel if you aren't already. And that's really it. I'm gonna talk to you all in the morning. Martin, you have anything else to say? I don't even hear you, Martin.
Keep up the consistency, guys. Just, no risk, no reward. Minimize it. Don't, one trade and done. Just stick to like what Andre says. You start learning the price action of the candles, and okay, I have a hunch it's gonna flip, so you know how to mitigate that 100-point loss to a 50-point loss, and then it's acceptable and you mitigated risk. So yeah, guys, just have fun today.
All right, I'll talk to you tomorrow, Martin.
Later, bro.
But yeah, guys, we about to call it a day. Not my best day. If I still think price has a chance of potentially going short if we do remain holding this fib short. But once price starts to run for these highs and clears these highs, and at that point, it's probably going to keep on running higher. So just keep that in mind. Like over here, the high hasn't been cleared yet, which means that there's still a chance that price could still fall lower. But once that high gets cleared, the likelihood of it happening is going to be far less likely. So just keep that in mind. Me personally, I'm not going to take anything right now. So just calling it a day. So if you aren't already, like, comment.